Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how you can easily find working promo codes for OlympTrade using Google. These codes can give you bonus deposits and great deals. So let's get right into it. First, open any browser, navigate to your search engine and type OlympTrade promo code and current month. Let me mention year as well and hit search. So here you will see websites like promocode.ninja, OlympTrade, RebiWeek, save.in. Visit any that you like. I'll go with promocode.ninja. Here look for codes like bonus on pay or welcome new users, ZV30. Before using any code, make sure it's still valid. Most sites will tell you the expiry date or whether the code was recently used by others. Now just simply copy the code. Once you have the promo code, log into your OlympTrade account. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now go to the deposit section. Here tap on deposit. Choose your payment method. For now, I'll go with Google Pay. Before you complete the payment, you'll see a field that says promo code. Tap on it. Tap on enter promo code. Paste the code here. And tap on check promo code, and your bonus will be applied instantly if it's valid. For example, if you deposit $50 and use a 50% code, you'll get a $75 in your account. Promo codes often work best for new users or during special events like New Year or trading tournaments. So always search around these times for better offers. And that's it. That's how you find working OlympTrade promo codes using Google. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more smart trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.